Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Sagittarius, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. And I have a special fairy tale pick a card reading coming up after this general energy, guys. So if you are interested, you can watch it, guys. So let's start with the general energy. We have Emperor in reverse, Sun in reverse, and Three of Cups. So Sagittarius, in your situation today, guys, there is some kind of maybe when you're making some decisions, you are not thinking it through. Maybe some immaturity or some confusions. You don't have that clarity maybe in certain circumstances today. It may be in your career or in your relationship, guys. So some kind of confusions are there in your situation. But I also see that it may be something minor, guys, these confusions, because we see positive energy with these cards. So you have a overall satisfaction, contentment, and peace of mind. Maybe you are celebrating something. Maybe you are planning a trip with your friends, or planning something with your person you love, or you are going out with them, having a good time, maybe going to a party, spending time together. So some kind of happiness, or some you are celebrating something. It may be a beginning of a project or some new path in your career, something that is taking you towards your goals, towards your aspirations. So you are celebrating this initial beginning, some kind of success, I see. That is what I see with these cards, guys. So you have happiness and contentment, guys, in your heart, Sagittarius, today. So let's see what are the other cards. First, for your relationship, we have Two of Cups in reverse, guys. So though this card is in reverse, it is a very positive card. It just means that you have faced your trials, you have gone through a lot of difficult circumstances in this relationship. You have sacrificed so much for this love, but today this love is there in front of you for you to accept it. Maybe this person has that understanding with you. You both have that mutual love, caring, trust, and you are stepping on to the next step of this connection, maybe engagement or marriage. So a very positive card here for your relationship, Sagittarius. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Death in reverse. So with this card in your career, guys, there are some kind of blocks, something is obstructing your growth. It may be your own attitude. Maybe you want to go slow and steady in your career. That may be act as an obstacle today, or it may be your circumstance. So some kind of delays you are seeing in your careers, some projects or some financial deals, whatever it is you are having, you may see some delays in that, guys. So that may be the reason for this card, Sagittarius. Apart from this, guys, I see that you are happy no matter what is in your career. You are happy for this love, happy the this person has come to an understanding with you guys, Sagittarius. So that is the reading, guys. Stay tuned for that fairy tale pick a card reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, today's reading is going to be different. It's going to be like a fairy story. So whatever your situation is, you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card for the first reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So let's see what is your fairy story. It's brother and sister transformation. So with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, it just means that whatever knowledge or wisdom that we have in our situation, and whatever likes or dislikes or instincts that we have, so all that must work in harmony if we want a peaceful life. And in our situations, maybe some things are pointing us towards something in our life, it may be in our relationship or it may be in our day-to-day life. There are some warning signs you are seeing. You need to be really careful, guys. If you are maybe if you have people telling you something, suggesting you something, or you yourself are having some instincts about something or intuition about something, you need to listen to it. If you do not do that, there will be some consequences and you will have to live with those consequences, guys. So today you should not fear the people who are envious of you, jealous of you. You need to move forward in life, have that positive outlook, listen to people who are suggesting you something. So there is someone suggesting you, it may be your sibling, sister or a brother, telling you something. You need to listen to it, so that way you will be able to overcome any difficulties in your situation, guys. And this story, the story with this card, is about the balance that we need to maintain, guys, in our life. So we should not go for that instant gratification. So things are tempting us all along in life. There are so many circumstances tempting us, but we should have that strong will in our heart. We should always lean towards good life, guys. So in order to lead a good life, we should not take up something, we should not go for that instant gratification in our situation. So that is what will work against us. So we need to think through what needs to be done today, and our actions should not affect the people who are with us. So we should think about that also in our situation, guys. So for that harmony and balance, to find that harmony and balance in our situation, we should take life in a simpler way, learn to live life simply by leaning towards the good things, maybe good behavior, good habits, good words. And we should care for people, maybe younger people in our life, maybe our younger siblings, brother or sister. And this card has a strong, that bonding between brothers and sisters. So maybe in your situation, guys, you have your brother or sister helping you, suggesting you something. You need to listen to it, guys. That is what I see with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, this is your story. I hope it resonates. If it does, please like and comment, guys. So now let's start with the second card. So we will keep this aside. So this is your second card. We have the white snake. Understanding. So that is the card. Such a beautiful card here. So this card just means that all our sacrifices will be rewarded for sure, and good work or good behavior or goodness in us is always rewarded, and our courage is always rewarded. So no need to put up excuses when we are confronted with truth, guys. So we cannot make any excuses to escape from some truth in our situation. So something has come up in your life, maybe some experience. People may seem distant, unemotional, or lacking in warmth towards you. But if you continue to do the right things, be good and be in your goodness, or not changed by the way people are treating you or by the way your circumstances are going. If you continue to be yourself, to be that good person, there will be a breakthrough moment, guys. So there is also a time, a turning point happening in your relationship. So this person will come to understand what you have done for them, what you have done for this love, and what you are worth. So you will be able to change people's life, help them to heal, and help them to heal in this situation, guys. Maybe they are hurt, they have some negative past, or some past memories are hurting them. Or maybe for some of you, it may be your present situation. They are hurt by how things are going today. But you need to understand that you have the power to heal with your goodness, guys. And by showing that true love and true goodness you have in your heart, you are going to heal your situation and heal this person you love, guys. So that is the story with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.